Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time around I want to show us this beautiful project called Bondex Origin. Okay, this is a very fine project guys, very legit project. There are actually two projects that I have in mind. One is core BTCS and the second one is BNDX, Bondex Origin. These are two powerful projects that are coming up this year 2023. Okay, so I will drop the link to start mining this coin in the description below. Make sure you mine this coin guys, make sure you mine it, don't fail to mine it. Okay, don't fail to mine it. They are one of the best crypto projects out there. They are going to give crypto jobs when they launch. Okay, they will give crypto jobs once they launch. So you can also grow your network. When you register, you can register other ones. Like as you can see here, you can see my referrals. Okay, out of 33, only 7 are mining, and out of that 7 that are mining, my mining rate is at 0.2 bondex per hour. Now if all these 33 guys are mining now, my mining rate will increase to, let's say, 0.5 bondex per hour. Okay, so if you want to, once you're done registering, you can come to the right hand side, the three dotted line there. I just tapped it to bring out this icon, and when you tap it, you see my network, see settings. You go to settings and set up, upload your CV, upload your profile picture, upload some things that you need to upload. Okay, now you can if you look down, you see there are different social media handles. This is their Telegram group. You can click there to join their Telegram group. Okay, so if you want to see your referrals, you click on my network. That's where you see your referrals. You can, let's click and see. Yes, these are my referrals. Now the ones that are not active, you can see it here. 7 are active, 26 are inactive. So if I tap on 26, okay, 7 I've actually tapped. Go back. I want to tap on the 26 that are inactive. Tap on the 26 that are inactive. See them here. Tap on it. Now we can ping them. Okay, we can notify them. Let's click on ping. I don't know why it's not pinging. Okay, it have actually notified them. It have notified them that they should start mining Bondex. Okay, always do this, guys, so that your referrals can always, let them always be mining. Guys, let's not joke with this project. Although this is not a financial advice. I'm trying to. I think I see them as I see them as a very nice project. So it's for free. You're not spending money to do it. It's just to come and tap on start earning at every 24 hours. Okay, once you start mining, after every 24 hours, you come and click on um, start earning for you to continue to earn. So that's how this is my profile, guys. This is my profile. You can update everything. I've not updated my resume yet, but I will do that very soon. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. Let's not joke with this project. They are launching on they said second quarter or third quarter of 2023. So by then, I know we must have mined enough. Every 24 hours, you come to this point, come here. This place, you see start earning. You click on it to start earning. That is it. If you want to invite your contact, click on invite your contact. Click on that, and then you make use of the share button. Don't copy the code necessarily. Make use of the share button so that you click on share, not the code part. Click on share so you can share your referral link directly to your referrals. So the link to register for this project will be in the description box. Please don't forget to. So you can now scroll, look for copy. You see this one here, this, click on it, copy to clipboard. When you click on it, your link has been copied. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. That is it for now. So let us not fail to mind this project, guys. It's actually very fine. So thank you. If you have any question, you can ask on the comment section. I'll be available to answer you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.